Look at that beautiful driving weather out there, everybody. Clear blue skies, sun is shining, not even that humid, there's a nice breeze. This is, sadly to say, a precursor for things to come because the end of September is here. I didn't get as many modifications as I wished I would this summer onto the car, but we're gonna do some more, and we got a quick video here today of one of the easiest modifications you could do for your car, especially if you take a car like this out driving in those nasty winter months in the salt belt where they just destroy the underbodies of all sorts of cars with salt and grime and dirtiness all over the road. So I'm gonna start protecting this car and maybe take it out in the winter months. I don't know, we'll see. But if I'm gonna do that, I figured why not get some all-weather floor mats so I can keep the inside nice and clean and easy to clean. So package just came today, let's check it out. Here it is. Okay, yeah, I know the box stack is just growing and growing, onward and upward as they say, but this right here, success. Yeah, I just keep the box cutter nice and close to all this mountain of boxes just so I can get quick videos like this made. But here we have, I know it's upside down, but there you go. The all-weather mats from the brand, oh, hold on, Garbage Truck. I'm gonna speak over it, hope you don't mind. Not like you guys care. So these are the 3D Maxpider. These 3D Maxpider all-weather floor mats. Oh my gosh. These are high quality. Wow, okay. There, look at that. That's quality. Okay, so that's the back side. Beautiful. Yep, they've got these nice locking in latch areas where you can put the floor latches in with no problem. This is the passenger side. Very nice. I love how it's perfectly form-fitted for the footwell area. But we're going to be replacing this piece of crap from Walmart. So, fun fact about my car, it did not come with a driver's side carpet. I know, weird, right? But here we have the original FRS paneled carpets, which are really nice. I've always liked them. My car did not come with one on the driver's side. I don't know, I guess the last previous owner, one of them, wanted a souvenir. So they have that. So these are really nifty, really easy to replace. You just unscrew the carpet latches and they come right up. I'm gonna try and capture as much of the dirt and grime as I can by folding it like a top load. There we go. Nasty. A year and a half of driver's grime. Okay, so most people would vacuum this area before they put their 3D mats on, so why don't we go ahead and do that? Always good to keep the area nice and clean if you're gonna be replacing or doing any sort of modifications to just about any part of the car. She's like brand new right out from the factory, guys. Just kidding. What a filthy mess. So the cool thing about getting custom floor mats is that they have the exact same latching areas. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this thing in, and it's got some grippy carpet underside, so this thing's not going anywhere. Look at my dog treats. It's my dog's birthday, so wish him a happy birthday in the comments, and a little something for me. We got him a pizza, burger, taco, and a little crown that says Prince. Yeah, happy birthday to my boy. Oh, and it's just as easy as that. Almost too perfect fit. Gotta get the top up here. Nice and snug. Okay. And then they just fall into place. So we lock them in, and they just fall into place. Nope, this side's crooked, so let's just give it a tug, and they just fall into place. I kind of had to push this one in, but now we just give it a little flatten like you're putting on a nice new screen protector for your phone. You want to push out all of the air bubbles. Well, there you have it. Well, the tag should probably go under. So, not only do we have a nice door striker plate cover and a nice hinge cover, but now we have our floor covers, and they all match too. I mean, it's not very hard to find black parts anywhere for your car, but yeah, they all match and it's nice. And these are high quality, sturdy, and they cover the sides too, which I really appreciate. and even up this to this little ledge right here. That is as effective as a floor mat is gonna get. It's form fitted to the exact dimensions and curves, all the curvature. The fitment is cool. Again, these are the 3D Maxpider, but it kind of sounds like Maxpider if you say it fast enough. 3D Maxpider floor well covers. That's what we'll call them. Floor well covers. They're floor mats, guys, and they're all weather, so they're easy to clean, and they keep all of that nasty wet grime out from getting into the carpet fibers. So thank you, 3D Maxpider. What a weird name. I'm hoping to catch as many spiders as we can with these 3D Maxpider floor mats. Whew, let's go put the driver's side on. Since this is brand new, I'm just gonna put it right on the seat. It's fully clean. Never been used before. Okay, so you know how I said that my car did not come with a driver's side floor mat? I did get one. I got one on eBay for like 20 bucks, and it is the 8.6 one. So not only do these not match, and they're filthy because it was used. I had to clean it as much as I could, especially during COVID time, but it has completely different logo plates. Here we have the metallic 8.6 logo, which I'm in love with. It just does not match with the FRS logo on the other side. But anyways, we're gonna do the same thing here. Unlatch those with a quick quarter turn and then roll it up like a burrito or a quesadilla. And just put that on the ground. Let's get the vacuum on this side. Oh, vacuum down. I need the extender. No, the longer one. Yeah, this will work.
Oh yeah, headphone users warning. I guess you're supposed to say that if you make loud noises on the internet. Headphone users, watch out!
Power button. Got it. Looks good. Okay, 3D Maxpider. Is that someone's name? Maxpider? Maxwell Pider? Maximilian Pider at your service with my 3D all-weather floor mats. Let's get you in, buddy. So just like the other one, we're gonna push the front in as much as we can. But it looks like this one's a little shorter than the previous. Oh yeah, I guess it would help to move the seat back. This one's having a little trouble. Might just give it a little wiggle, get rid of all those air bubbles. There we go. Okay. Come on, Max. Beautiful. There we go. I just noticed that they have these tiny little holes. Do you see that right there? On the top and bottom of the knob. I guess those are supposed to click into place before you can turn it. So let's make sure it's lined up. And I heard the click. Did you hear the click? Yep, it turned. Did this one click? Yeah, it did, because it turns. Okay, look at that. That is beautiful. Well, thanks again, Maximilian Pider, for your 3D Maxpider all-weather floor mats. I think they look pretty dang awesome. Look at that perfect curvature, the perfect fitment. So this thing is not going anywhere. It's not going to move at all, but it's also going to protect the carpet from any sort of water or salt damages. And you even have room for your little, whatever that's called, fuel door release. There you go, fuel door release, that's the word. It looks like they forgot a spot. Well, Max, you missed a spot. Fitment is not perfect by any means, but it is damn nice. Look at that. This is the only problem right here, I would say, because your feet pass over this area the most. If you're getting in and out of your car during those harsh, nasty winter months, you're gonna drop a little bit of dirt in that little crevice. So, but hey, you tried. It looks still pretty dang good. It does kind of need a little bit of, I don't know, breaking in before this thing actually fits perfect, but it is awesome for the money. I think both of these together were about 50 bucks. Not too shabby. There is kind of like a little air pocket right there, so it's not perfect, but it'll do. I'm planning on replacing these silly Subaru Sport polka dots. I'm not a fan of the Subaru Sport polka dot like pedal design and like the sill design right there. I'm not a fan of that, so I will be replacing that with some custom pedals, even the dead pedal a little later on. You'll see that video, who knows when, but for now, thank you so much for joining me, everybody. Yeah, I'm sweating. This was a lot of work. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Yep, look at that. Look, get out of here with the extension cord. But look at that random mismatch that I had to go through because, hey, someone wanted a souvenir, I guess. So you have my floor mat somewhere. Maybe someone shat on it and it's just disgusting, and they did me a favor by not giving it to me when I bought the car. Anyways, there you have it, 86FRS. Yeah, I had both logos on there at the same time at one point, just on the floor mats, but whatever, still cool.
Whose birthday? Whose birthday is it? Is it your birthday? How old are you? Ooh, okay. 7?
Nope, all of them. Small. Oh. Nice.